Hello and welcome to Island Block. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to save in dollars so that you can effectively hedge against the Naira inflation. Now over here we have Binance. The issue is, the reason why I recommend Binance a lot is the fact that it's easier to use, there is enough volume, and then you are very sure that at least you can get someone to buy USDT from. You can always get people to sell your USDT to, and transactions are done very fast. Now don't get me wrong, there are a couple of other Nigerian platforms that work very effectively, but I'm still trying them out as well. So once I try them out and I can recommend them, I will do a very in-depth explainer video on how to use them as well. But here we'll be using Binance. So now if you have a Binance account, it makes it a lot easier. Just head over to the P2P section here. But if you don't have a Binance account yet, I recommend you open one. So the two major things you'd have to do is, firstly, open a Binance account. Secondly, you must verify your account. The reason why verification is very necessary, in fact, you can't use a majority of the platforms now, even Nigerian platforms, without ID verification because of safety, and you need to be sure that whoever is using that platform can be correctly identified in case of fraudulent activities or they need to trace the money. Now I get it, decentralized applications and platforms are not supposed to be traceable, but here we are. So you get a Binance account, you make sure you verify your account, and then we proceed from there. The next step will be to click on buy. So once you come over to P2P section, you come to buy. Now what you're doing is you are taking your Naira, buying USDT, and just keeping the USDT on the app. In fact, if you had bought USDT a couple of weeks ago at 490 Naira, by now you'll be in significant profit by just not holding Naira. As at 3 or 4 days ago, USDT was still trading at 508 Naira per dollar, and now here we are with USDT trading at 516 to 517 Naira, and even higher for higher volumes. So this just lets you know you cannot trust savings in Naira. You cannot trust it. So the next step will be for you to find who you would like to buy from. Now here we have the USDT section. I'm only advertising how to buy USDT and store and save in dollars. So I'm not interested in every other thing here, just in USDT. So since I want to buy and store in USDT, which is US dollar, I just need to find who I'll buy from in this peer-to-peer section. Let's say I want to buy 50,000 Naira worth of USDT. Then I now have to find someone that can sell me 50,000 Naira worth of USDT here on this platform. I look at the first seller, and this first seller is just going to sell 1,000 Naira to, he only has 1,000 Naira worth of USDT to sell. So at this point, I would have to keep scrolling down. Now, yes, I know there is the option of filtering sellers. So if I come over here and I select the amount I want to buy, 50,000, and I press yes, it will automatically filter the seller so I know who I can buy from. But the reason why I hardly use this is because of how quickly the rates pump. In the first instance, I could have bought at 516 Naira per dollar. Here I'm buying at 518 Naira per dollar. So the rates have added up. Now imagine I want to buy, let's say, 1 million Naira worth of USDT. You see how high the rates tend to jump, 519 per dollar. So what I recommend in these cases is, I just tell people the best thing you can do is buy in small bits. So if I scroll down and I find someone, let's say I find someone that wants to sell a 5,000 Naira or a 10,000 Naira to me, I can just, okay, this is good. I can just buy from, oh, rates have even pumped. Wow, man, Naira is really losing value fast. I can just buy from Shower over here. So I've seen that she can sell up to 59,000 naira for me. So she has from 1,000 naira worth to 59,000 naira. So I can just click on buy, enter the amount I would like to buy, 50,000 naira, and press buy USDT. So once I do this, all I have to now do is click on transfer the fund and make payment to this particular person's details. So once I make the payment and she approves the payment, so I'll make the payment, then I'll click on transferred. Then once she approves the payment, I would automatically get USDT credited in my P2P wallet. So the strategy is, whenever you have Naira like this, you come over here, buy USDT, leave it on your P2P wallet. You buy USDT, leave it on your P2P wallet. No rush. So I would say that it is way smarter to save in USDT than to save Naira in your bank account because of the risks of Naira losing value fast. Yes, dollar is also losing value. Yes, the entire fiat currencies are losing value. But if you are not interested in investing in cryptocurrency because you're scared of the volatility or you don't know how to effectively manage the risk, just buy USDT and hold. Naira is losing value at a very outrageous rate. It doesn't even make sense. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions in the question section. Just comment your questions. I would always attend to them, and maybe if you would like for me to do another video, you can also state that as well. Do have an awesome time. Bye-bye.